concluding that you are presently prepared to stop smoking is just a large portion of the fight. Knowing where to begin on your way to getting to be without smoke can assist you with taking the jump. We have assembled some compelling courses for you to quit smoking today. Tobacco Utilize and Introduction to Secondhand Smoke are in charge of in excess of 480,000 passings every year in the United States, as per the American Lung Association. A great many people know about the various well-being dangers that emerge from cigarette smoking. But then, Tobacco Utilize keeps on being the main source of preventable passing and infection. In the U.S., stopping smoking is definitely not a solitary occasion that occurs on multi-day. It is a voyage. By stopping, you will enhance your well-being and the quality and span of your life, and in addition the lives of everyone around you. To stop smoking, you not just need to change your conduct and adapt to the withdrawal side effects experienced from removing nicotine. However, you likewise need to discover different approaches to deal with your states of mind. With the correct strategy, you can break free from nicotine enslavement and kick the propensity for good. Here are 5 different ways to handle smoking discontinuance. 1. Get ready for quit day. When you have chosen to quit smoking, you are prepared to set a quit date. Pick multi-day that isn't too far later on, with the goal that you don't alter your opinion, yet which gives you enough time to get ready. There are a few different ways to quit smoking. At the end of the day, you have to choose whether you are going to stop suddenly, or keep smoking straight up until your quit date, and after that stop bit by bit, or diminish your cigarette allowed gradually until your quit date, and afterward stop. Research that contrasted sudden stopping and decreasing smoking found that neither created better quit rates over the other, so pick the technique that best suits you. Here are a few hints prescribed by the American Cancer Society to assist you with preparing for your quit date. Tell companions, family, and associates about your quit date. Discard all cigarettes and ashtrays. Choose whether you will go without any weaning period, or utilize nicotine substitution treatment, NRT, or different pharmaceuticals. In the event that you intend to go to a quit smoking gathering, join now. Stock up on oral substitutes, for example, hard treat, sugarless gum, carrot sticks, espresso stirrers, straws, and toothpicks. Set up an emotionally supportive network, for example, a relative that has effectively stopped and is upbeat to encourage you. Ask loved ones who smoke to not smoke around you. In the event that you have endeavored to stop previously, consider what worked and what did not. Everyday exercises, for example, getting up early in the day, completing a supper, and taking a recess, can regularly trigger your desire to smoke a cigarette. Be that as it may, breaking the relationship between the trigger and smoking is a decent method to assist you with fighting the desire to smoke. On your quit day, try not to smoke by any means. Remain occupied. Start utilization of your NRT on the off chance that you have utilized one. Go to a quit smoking gathering or take after a self-improvement design. Drink more water and squeeze. Drink less or no liquor. Dodge people who are smoking. Dodge circumstances wherein you have a compelling impulse to smoke. You will in all likelihood want to smoke commonly amid your quit day, however it will pass. The accompanying activities may assist you with battling the desire to smoke. Deferral until the point that the hankering passes. The desire to smoke frequently travels every which way inside 3 to 5 minutes. Profound relax. Take in gradually through your sense about a check of 3 and breathe out through your mouth for a tally of 3. Envision your lungs loading with natural air. Drink water taste by taste to beat the hankering. Accomplish another thing to divert yourself. Maybe go for a walk. Recalling the 4Ds can frequently assist you with moving past your inclination to illuminate. 2. Utilize NRTs. Going immediately, or stopping smoking without the assistance of NRT, medicine, or treatment, is a mainstream approach to surrender smoking. Be that as it may, just around 6% of these quit endeavors are effective. It is anything but difficult to think little of how intense nicotine reliance truly is. NRT can lessen the desires and withdrawal indications you encounter that may thwart your endeavor to surrender smoking. NRTs are intended to wean your body off cigarettes and supply you with the controlled measurements of nicotine while saving you from presentation to different synthetic concoctions found in tobacco. The U.S. Food and Drug Administration, FDA, have affirmed 5 sorts of NRT: skin patches, biting gum, tablets, nasal splash remedy as it were, inhaler remedy as it were. In the event that you have chosen to go down the NRT course, talk about your measurement with a social insurance proficient before you quit smoking. Keep in mind that while you will probably stop smoking utilizing NRT, the objective is to end your dependence on nicotine at an out, and not simply to stop tobacco. Contact your social insurance proficient on the off chance that you encounter discombobulation, shortcoming, queasiness, heaving, quicker sporadic pulse, mouth issues, or skin swelling while at the same time utilizing these items. 3. Consider non-nicotine meds. The FDA have affirmed 2 non-nicotine containing medications to enable smokers to stop. These are bupropion, Zyban, and varenicline, Xanax. Converse with your social insurance supplier in the event that you feel that you might want to attempt one of these to assist you with stopping smoking, as you will require a remedy. Bupropion follows up on synthetic substances in the cerebrum that assume a part in nicotine needing and diminishes yearnings and side effects of nicotine withdrawal. Bupropion is taken in tablet frame for 12 weeks. However, in the event that you have effectively stopped smoking in that time, you can utilize it for a further 3 to a half year to diminish the danger of smoking backslide. Varenicline meddles with the nicotine receptors in the mind, which brings about diminishing the delight that you get from tobacco utilize, and diminishes nicotine withdrawal side effects. Varenicline is utilized for 12 weeks, yet once more, on the off chance that you have effectively kicked the propensity. At that point, you can utilize the medication for an additional 12 weeks to lessen smoking backslide chance. Dangers required with utilizing these medications incorporate social changes, discouraged temperament, animosity, antagonistic vibe, and self-destructive contemplations or activities. 4. Look for social help. The passionate and physical reliance you have on smoking makes it trying to avoid nicotine. After your quit day, to stop, you have to handle this reliance. Having a go at advising administrations, self-improvement materials, and bolster administrations can assist you with getting through this time, as your physical indications show signs of improvement after some time. So will your enthusiastic ones. Joining medicine, for example, NRT, bupropion, and varenicline, with conduct bolster has been exhibited to expand the odds of long-haul smoking suspension by up to 25%.